Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Syed bin Muhammad Rafi from PI009E13, and today I would like to teach you how to use Excel. Alright, first you need to open your Excel and open new Excel, click blank workbook. Alright, from here you need to first save it as it might get lost. Alright, after you finish saving the Excel, we can continue to follow along with the manual. Alright, let's look at the manual. It says that we need to go to the cell A1, click it, and type the text High Cal Company. And we need to bold it. You can either hold it like this by clicking this, or you can use Ctrl B, which is the easy way. After that, click on cell A1 and drag until cell D1 and click merge and center. Next, click on the cell B2 and type the text years, right, without bold, and the same thing, click on cell B2 until cell C2 and merge and center. After that, click on cell A3 and type the text month and go to the cell A4, type the text January and click the small square here, you can see this, and drag until you get December, which is on cell A15, and the value will automatically fill up, and you can click this 2 times to get it evenly. Alright, then click on cell B3 and type the text 2022, while on cell C3 type the text 2023. Go to the manual, click this and drag until the last one, copy and paste, which is Ctrl C, then go to the Excel and just drag until December 2023 and just paste it by Ctrl V. You might see this sign, but it just means that it doesn't have enough space to show the actual number, and you just click this twice. And there you go, the table for the income of every month in a year for High Cal Company. Then you can go to cell B2 and drag until cell C15. Also include cell A3 until A15 by holding on Control buttons and just click Home on Fonts tab and click Borders and All Borders. There you go. Alright, let's learn how to make a chart by using our data. First, click on cell A3 and drag until cell C15 and go to the Insert tab, and you can choose any chart style that you want, any type of chart that you want, but for this lesson I will choose line chart and 2D line with markers. After that, you can choose any quick layout or any chart style that you prefer, but for this lesson we go to the quick layout on this chart design tab and click on quick layout number 12. Click on the most top button, which is the chart element, click on it and click the axis titles and chart title. There is many options here and you can explore the option. Then try to edit the chart style, and you can choose any style that you prefer, but for this lesson we will use this style of chart. After that, click on the chart title and edit and type High Cal Company income. And for the axis title, for the y-axis title, edit and type income in bracket RN. And for the x-axis title, double click, edit and type the text months. Click on the series, right click on it, go to the select data, go for series 1, click on it, edit, So for the series name, you put 2022. Same goes for the series 2. You did the same thing. Click on the series name, choose which one. Let us make it even organizable. Here, let us make the data in the center so it's more organizable by selecting cell B2 until cell C15 and click on this. There you go. To calculate the total income, the maximum and minimum income, and and how many months the company able to achieve their benchmark, which is 35,000 ringgit for per month. Right, let's go to the A16, click on it, and type total income. And make sure to bold it. Then go to the cell B16, type equal to January plus February plus March plus April plus, and click enter. Then go to the cell C16, type equal to sum, put the bracket, and click and drag from cell C4 until cell C15 and click enter. Next, for the maximum, minimum, average, and the benchmark, click on cell F2. Now, let's learn how to calculate the maximum, the minimum, the average income, and also to count how many times the company able to achieve their benchmark. First, go to the cell F2, click on it, and type the text here. Make sure to bold it, and click and drag until cell G2, merge and center. And of course, type the years 2022 and 2023. And go to the cell E3. Go to the cell E3. Go to the cell E4 and type the words max. Then go to the cell F4. Type the formula equal to max in bracket and drag from cell B4 until B15. Then click enter, and it will automatically calculate which one have the maximum income for the 2022. And you can see that the month that have the maximum income for 2022 is November. And you did the same thing for the year 2023, but you can just did the same thing. Click on this and drag until G4, and it will automatically calculate for you. And for the 2023, the maximum income is on March. Then go to E5, type min. Then we did the same thing, but now just change from the equal to max to equal to min, bracket, and enter. It will do the same thing, but will now only count for the lowest income for the month, which is for 2022 July, and for the 2023 it is April. Now let's calculate the average income. Go to the cell E6 and type average, and go to the cell F6, type the formula equal to average. Then did the same thing. Click and drag all of the data for the year 2022 and enter. Do the same thing. Click and drag until G6. Then we calculate how to count the bench, which year had the highest benchmark. Go to E7. Right? Let's learn how to calculate how many times does the company able to achieve the benchmark for each year. There's two ways. First, let's go to E7 and type benchmark. Then go to F7. We click equal to count in bracket and we keep the month data of 2022 and which month satisfy the benchmark, which is more than or equal to 35,000 ringgit. And you can see here, January is one of it, then comma, and March, and you pretty much did the same thing all over again. Then click enter. Now I will show you the second version. Go to the G7 and click on it, type the formula equal to count if in bracket, select the range from C4 until C15, put comma and put the criteria, which is we want it to be more than or equal to RM 35,000 ringgit. And close bracket, and you go. For the years 2023, there is 2 ringgit, and there's 2 times the company able to achieve the benchmark. So that's all from me. Thank you.